Have you ever noticed your skin feeling rough, tight, or even a little itchy, especially after your daily shower or when the weather gets a bit cooler? It's a common feeling many of us experience as we get older. You might just brush it off as part of aging, but it could be more than that. Today, we're going to talk about dry skin, also known as xerosis, and simple ways to bring back that comfortable, healthy feel to your skin. It might be easier than you think. This isn't just about a little dryness. Persistent dry skin can lead to discomfort, irritation, and even increase the risk of skin damage or infection. It can make everyday activities less enjoyable and sometimes even cause worry. You might think it's just a minor inconvenience, but taking care of it can make a real difference in your daily comfort and well-being. In this video, I'm going to share 3 key things you need to know about why your skin might be feeling so dry and simple, effective ways you can moisturize and care for it right at home to bring back that smooth, healthy feeling. Before we dive into the details, if you've ever experienced dry skin yourself, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful tips for staying healthy and comfortable. All right, let's start by understanding what exactly causes this dryness in the first place. Point 1. Reduced oil production. One of the main reasons for dry skin as we age is simply that our skin produces less oil. Think of the natural oils in your skin as a protective barrier that helps lock in moisture. As we get older, the glands that produce these oils tend to become less active, meaning this barrier isn't as strong as it used to be, and moisture can escape more easily. I remember my friend George. He used to spend a lot of time gardening, and he noticed his hands becoming increasingly dry and cracked. He initially thought it was just from being outdoors so much. But even when he wasn't gardening, his skin felt rough. It turned out that as he got older, his skin just wasn't producing as much of that natural oil anymore, making it more susceptible to dryness. After he started using a good moisturizer regularly, he noticed a significant improvement. This decrease in natural oils can leave your skin feeling tight, itchy, and more prone to becoming irritated. It's a natural process, but understanding it is the first step to managing it effectively. A simple way to combat this is to be mindful of the soaps you use. Harsh soaps can strip away even more of those precious natural oils, making dryness worse. Opt for mild, fragrance-free cleansers. Have you noticed this change in your skin's oiliness? Share your experience in the comments below. Now that we know about the natural decrease in oil production, let's look at another common culprit, the environment around us. Point 2. Environmental factors. The environment we live in can also play a big role in drying out our skin. Things like dry winter air, air conditioning in the summer, and even prolonged exposure to the sun can all pull moisture away from your skin, leaving it feeling parched. Think of it like leaving a glass of water out in the sun. It will eventually evaporate. The same thing can happen to the moisture in your skin. My neighbor, Eleanor, loves to travel. She told me that whenever she visited places with very low humidity, like the desert, her skin would become incredibly dry and flaky, even if she wasn't spending a lot of time outdoors. It really highlighted how much the surrounding air can affect our skin's moisture levels. It took her a few days of consistent moisturizing after returning home for her skin to feel normal again. Being aware of these environmental factors can help you take proactive steps to protect your skin, no matter the season or where you are. Consider using a humidifier in your home, especially during the winter months when the air tends to be drier. This can help add moisture back into the air and prevent your skin from drying out as quickly. So we've talked about our body's natural changes and the environment. Now, let's discuss some habits that might be unintentionally contributing to your dry skin. Point 3. Hot showers and baths. While a long, hot shower or bath can feel relaxing, it might actually be doing more harm than good to your skin's moisture. Hot water can strip away the natural oils from your skin much faster than lukewarm water. Think of it like washing dishes with very hot, soapy water. It effectively removes grease, and it does the same to the natural oils on your skin. My grandson, Michael, used to take really long, steamy showers, especially after playing sports. He complained about his skin feeling really tight and itchy afterwards. When his doctor suggested he try shorter, lukewarm showers, he was surprised at how much better his skin felt. It took a little getting used to, but it made a big difference. Reducing the temperature and duration of your showers and baths can help your skin retain more of its natural moisture. Aim for shorter showers or baths and keep the water temperature comfortably warm rather than hot. Pat your skin dry gently afterwards instead of rubbing vigorously. What's your preferred shower temperature? Let us know in the comments. We've covered some of the causes of dry skin. Now let's move on to what you can do about it: effective moisturizing and care techniques. Point 4. The importance of moisturizing. Moisturizing is absolutely key to combating dry skin and keeping it healthy. A good moisturizer works by creating a barrier on the surface of your skin, helping to lock in the moisture that's already there and also drawing in moisture from the environment. It essentially helps to replace the natural oils that might be lacking. My friend Carol had tried many different things for her persistently dry hands. It wasn't until her dermatologist recommended a rich, emollient moisturizer that she finally found relief. She started applying it several times a day, especially after washing her hands, and she said it felt like a completely different skin. Regular and consistent moisturizing can significantly improve the feel and appearance of your skin, making it smoother, softer, and less prone to irritation. Apply moisturizer to your skin immediately after showering or bathing, while your skin is still slightly damp. This helps to trap in the moisture. Now, let's talk about the different types of moisturizers and how to choose the right one for you. Point 5. Choosing the right moisturizer. There are many different types of moisturizers available, and choosing the right one can make a big difference. Moisturizers come in various formulations, from light lotions to thick creams and ointments. For dry skin, thicker, richer formulas tend to be more effective at providing long-lasting hydration. Look for ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid, which help to attract and retain moisture. My neighbor Robert had very dry patches on his elbows and knees. He started by using a light lotion, but it didn't seem to help much. When he switched to a thicker cream containing shea butter, he noticed a significant improvement in those stubborn dry areas. Selecting a moisturizer that's appropriate for your skin's dryness level will provide better relief and protection. If your skin is very dry, consider using a cream or even an ointment, as these tend to be richer and more effective at sealing in moisture. Lotions are lighter and may be suitable for less severe dryness. What's your go-to moisturizer? Share your recommendations in the comments. Besides moisturizing, there are other important aspects of caring for dry skin. Let's take a look. Point 6. Gentle cleansing. How you wash your skin is just as important as what you put on it afterwards. As we mentioned earlier, harsh soaps and cleansers can strip away the natural oils that protect your skin. This can worsen dryness and irritation. My sister Margaret used to use a very strong scented soap. She noticed her skin was always feeling very dry and sometimes even itchy. When she switched to a mild, fragrance-free cleanser, her skin felt much calmer and less dry. Choosing gentle cleansers will help your skin retain its natural moisture balance. Opt for mild, fragrance-free cleansers or even moisturizing body washes. Avoid soaps that create a lot of lather, as these can often be more drying. And finally, let's talk about the importance of staying hydrated from the inside out. Point 7. Staying hydrated. Drinking enough water is not just good for your overall health, it also plays a role in keeping your skin hydrated. When you're dehydrated, your body prioritizes sending water to your vital organs, and your skin can be left feeling dry. Staying adequately hydrated helps to keep your skin cells plump and healthy. My friend Arthur noticed that his skin felt much drier on days when he didn't drink enough water. He made a conscious effort to increase his water intake throughout the day, and he noticed his skin felt softer and more supple. Making sure you're drinking enough fluids can contribute to healthier, more hydrated skin. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keep a water bottle handy as a reminder. You can also get fluids from other sources like fruits, vegetables, and soups. When applying moisturizer, don't just quickly rub it on. Take a moment to gently massage it into your skin, paying extra attention to areas that tend to be the driest, like your hands, feet, elbows, and knees. For very dry areas, you might even consider applying a thicker layer at night before bed and wearing cotton gloves or socks to help it absorb. One common mistake is not moisturizing frequently enough, especially after washing your hands or showering. Another is using moisturizers that contain harsh chemicals or fragrances, which can actually irritate dry skin further. Also, avoid scrubbing your skin too vigorously when drying off, as this can remove more moisture. If you find that regular moisturizers aren't enough, you might consider using natural oils like coconut oil or olive oil. However, it's always a good idea to test a small area first to make sure you don't have any sensitivity. For very severe dry skin, your doctor might recommend prescription creams or ointments. If your dry skin is persistent, severe, or accompanied by redness, itching, or cracking, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a dermatologist. They can help determine the underlying cause and recommend the most appropriate treatment plan for you. So, we've learned that dry skin can be caused by reduced oil production, environmental factors, and even our own habits like taking hot showers. But the good news is that by making a few simple changes, like using gentle cleansers, moisturizing regularly with the right products, and staying hydrated, you can significantly improve the health and comfort of your skin. These aren't complicated steps. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can be easier than you think, and the benefits for your comfort and well-being are well worth it. I know it can be easy to overlook dry skin, especially when you have other things on your mind. But ignoring these small signs can sometimes lead to more significant discomfort and even skin problems down the road. Taking a little extra care of your skin can really help you maintain your independence and enjoy your daily activities without unnecessary irritation. Remember, you have the power to take care of your skin and improve your comfort. It's never too late to start adopting these simple habits. You have the choice to feel more comfortable and confident in your own skin. As you can see, taking care of your skin isn't just about appearance. It's about your overall comfort and quality of life. By understanding the causes of dry skin and implementing these simple moisturizing and care techniques, you're taking a proactive step towards feeling better every day. What was the most surprising thing you learned about dry skin today? Share your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like to support us in creating more content like this. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips. Importantly, if you know someone who might also be struggling with dry skin, please share this video with them. This information could really make a difference in their daily comfort. Wishing you all healthy, happy, and comfortable skin. Take good care, and we'll see you in the next video.